Hi guys, I'm Dr. Nirmal. Welcome to my channel Doc Talk. Hmm. Hi guys, as we all know, NBE has declared the date sheet in which the following exam, that is our exam, the NEET PG 2022, is scheduled on 12th of March the next year 2022, that is. And most of the 2016 batch are like shocked because everyone, including the coaching institutes, was predicting that the exam will be held in and around uh, in the July maybe, or maybe June. Basically no one was expecting the exam can happen before May. So this is the thing, this is like totally shocking thing that the exam is going to happen in the March. Maybe it is because of the next that exam going to occur in the 2023 next, that exit exam is supposedly going to happen in the March. So that's why maybe they have given exactly a year back date for the previous year exam, that is the next NEET PG 2022. So we cannot do anything about it. So the best thing is to plan. So basically if we come to this one, so the as we I said, the best thing is to plan. So I'm Dr. Nirmal actually, and we are going to see what we can do. So the NEET PG 2022 is on 12th of March. Yeah, it's on 12th of March here. It's on 12th of March 2022. And if we come to the days, we have approximately 120 days, plus minus 10, actually plus 10, not minus 10. We have around 120 days, that is around 4 months. And to be sure, actually 4 months is a very, very less time to start your preparation and to clear an exam with a decent rank actually. So but it's not like something which is impossible. We can do it, and there are few ways which we can do it. But this exam, which is very near, next to the just 3 months in the next year, it will be on the March. So for that, okay, as the exam is very near, and I know only few are the one which is very prepared for it, other are like we cannot do it, it's very tough, and how can we manage our syllabus to complete and do revisions as soon as possible in this 4 months time period. So for me, I guess the best people who are going to attempt this and clear this are the one who are not satisfied with their score in the previous one, that is the NEET 2021. Actually the cutoffs were very high, and the rankings were, according to the predictions, were very low. Like if someone got 500 marks and they were predicting like they will come under 10k, their rank is around 17-18,000, which is way less than the prediction. And so they have the best chance to clear the exam with good rank, actually better than the previous rank. That's what I can say. So basically this exam is for those who are going to re-attempt. Best of luck from my side. Close this video. This video is not for you guys. You have already done a lot of hard work, just few months, and you will again excel with a better rank than this one. Okay. And this video is mainly focusing on those who are freshers, like either batch 2016, which are basically interning right now in their respective colleges. This is for them, or those students which haven't started the studies, that is 2K15 batch. Even 2K14, I don't think so anyone from 2K14 will come in this category. But if for someone from the previous batch other than 2K16, which who have not started the preparation, will come under this. Now what I am talking about is that only 120 days are left, and how will we prepare in this time? As if we go fresh, like if we start now, like just now, if we start, it's going to be very, very tough, because the full course of like any institute, be it DAMS, DBMCI, Prep Ladder, Marrow, or any other institute which I haven't got yet, it's going to be tough, because they also say that take 5 months at least to complete the syllabus for the first time, right? Going to the lectures and watching the videos, doing the question bank, giving the GTs, all this time takes at least 6 to 8 months, so that you can give a best attempt. Like, I'm not going to say that with that attempt you will clear the exam or will get a decent rank, but to even give a best attempt or a good attempt, you need at least 6 to 8 months of preparation. But here we have only 4 months. So this video is all about how to study in those 4 months and what can we do. And I'm again saying this video is only for those who have not started the preparation. Those who have started, go with your flow, you have a plan, just all the best from my side. This video is not for you. But those who haven't not started the preparation and want to start just now and want a decent rank in the upcoming NEET exam, this video is for you. So let's start, guys. So what I'm talking about is known as Rapid Revision 3.0. Yeah, I'm not promoting any thing here, any institute here, but I'm telling you what I have done in my previous exam. So Rapid Revision 3.0 it is. And why I'm saying this is Rapid Revision 3.0, because I have studied the Rapid Revision 2.0, which was the last year released, and this is 3.0. Now why I'm telling you this, see, basically what is this, Rapid Revision is basically the fast version or the short or concise version of the full course. Now what is this? Basically, what are the advantages of Rapid Revision? I will tell you that. Now we all know that we don't have a much time, like we don't have ample time of an year or maybe 8 or 9 months. We don't have much time. So for those who want to clear this exam as soon as possible, because every year the competition is raising and the number of seats are not increased as the number of seats are not increased according to the number of students which are being added every year. So the best chance is to clear the exam ASAP and get a seat and start your post graduation. So why Rapid Revision 3.0? First of all, so the very first thing is it's concise. It's very concise. Like, you can complete a full course in 5 months, but you can complete a Rapid Revision in less than 2 months. Okay, to be honest, I completed my Rapid Revision in 40 days. That's like 1.5 month. That's it. 45 days, 40 to 45 days. So you don't have to go to the all the topics that is unnecessary added. Actually, they are there is a proper most common topics which you should read, and there are some other topics which you should read because it may be asked. But the most common thing is the paper is mostly seen with the most common things. Like, I'm quoting my sir here, Dr. Apuv Mehra, what he says, and Dr. Gobind, what he says is the most common things are asked most commonly, so you should know them. Okay, so basically Rapid Revision has all the most common things which you should know at least. And what is the second point, which is very important, is it's less time taking. You can complete it, as I said, in 40 to 45 days, the whole lectures and the videos and the question bank included. Okay, I'm talking about the 19 subject. I'm not saying leave those short subjects or leave the first year subjects. No, I'm not saying that, because the paper is increasing day by day and going towards the clinical approach, and you need basics as well as para as well as clinical subjects thorough knowledge. So basically, what I'm saying is, as you have very less time and you need to give your best shot in this less time, so the Rapid Revision will take you to in that less time, it will help you to complete your syllabus at first, and then will take you to a decent rank. Now, it's not like you will, when you will talk to your seniors about that I am taking a Rapid Revision course, they will say no, don't take it, because it has very less syllabus. You need to study as much as possible of the syllabus to compete in the NEET PG, but that's not true. Okay, so there is something called as 80-20 rule. Okay, 80-20 rule, what does that means? I will cover that in another video of mine, 80-20 rule. But right now, I'm just telling you, it will cover 70 to 75% of the syllabus, which is like enough for the to clear exam and get a decent rank, which is enough. Why I'm saying that's because if you read 100 pages, you will remember maybe 70 after first read, or maybe less. After second read, you will remember 60, 65. After third read, you will reach 70, 75%. And after fourth or fifth read, you will reach around 90%. And then after doing question banks, you like basically cement it out, and you make a wall out of it. So, but the problem is you don't have enough time to give that much of reading. So if we give you already 70 to 75% syllabus and you complete 60% of that syllabus, because in 4 months I can assure you, if you give 10 hours a day dedicated time, even 6 days a week, you will complete the whole syllabus and revise it at least 3 to 4 times, which is, I think, which will give you an advantage over the others pair, which are not which are either going with the full syllabus or not studying at all. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So 70 to 75% syllabus will be covered. Okay, and it is easy to do multiple revisions, because the syllabus won't contain 19 books. Okay, actually books are more than that. 19 subjects will be covered, but it won't be covering 19 books. Okay, there will be only 4 books. How many books? There will be only 4 books. Okay, so 4 books isn't very much. Okay, there will be only 4 books, and you just need to read them, and it will cover all the 19 subjects. Okay, so 4 books and it will cover 19 subjects, so you don't have to worry. And the best part about the rapid revision, the bestest part about the rapid revision is it will boost your confidence. Because if you have read only a full course for 1 or maybe 2 revisions, I don't think so 2 revisions will be done. Actually, to complete the syllabus in 4 months is a big deal. But if you by miracle done the 2 revisions, you won't get that much of confidence which will you get in doing 4 revisions, 3 to 4 revisions of rapid revision. Why I'm saying that? Because you know that it's very concise. Okay, it's very concise, it's less time taking, it covers 70 to 75%, and that 70 to 75% syllabus you have done 3 to 4 times, which will boost your confidence. So these are the points which I am saying about rapid revision 3.0. Okay, now what will you gain? The very first thing, what will you gain from this? Okay, first, if you give your time, well dedicated time to the revisions and the question banks and the grand test, you will gain a seat. First of all, you will gain a seat. It might not be a very good seat, but there will be a very high chance that you will get a seat. So that's the basic thing. Now that's up to you. You want, in the 4 months, the best thing is to utilize these 4 months as much as you can do. Okay, so these 4 months is, it's upon you. You want to study in these 4 months, or you want to study the 4 months, revise in these 4 months, give grand test in these 4 months, and get your seat in these 4 months only. So it's up to you. What will you gain? Like, again, first thing, multiple revisions, 3 to 4 revisions, as I'm saying, 4 months. Okay, so let's get into stats. So I'm saying 40 to 45 days you will get to complete this syllabus. Then for first revision you will do 30 days, and then it will come to 25 days, and then it will come to 20 days. So you can add up here. I'm not very good with the mathematics here, but you can see, like, if we come here 45 days, okay, 45 and 30 days, that is 75 days. 75 and 25, that is 100 days, and 120, that is 120 days. Now first revision, now this is second revision, and this is third revision, and this is the fourth revision, and again 120 days only. You still have plus 10 plus days here. So after 4 revisions you can do a fast revision too in that 10 days. But I'm saying, and to be honest, these days include the grand test. Okay, don't say that this 45 days may I will do only the theory part. No, these 45 days will include the grand test. But the thing is, you have to study 10 hours a day and make a proper plan. I will be making a video how to study rapid revision again. But the thing is, 4 revisions with extra time, in case no one can study like There are people who study like maniacs, like okay. There are people who study like 10 to 15 of hours per day. Like they can complete it even faster, but I don't recommend that. I recommend only 10 hours per day study. And as the time is very less, don't take any day off. But if you want to take, we have 10 days extra. If you want to take off, we have 10 days extra. You can do that in those 10 days. Okay, you can enjoy a party, you can go for a movie in the initial days of the preparation, not in the final days of the preparation. Okay, so this is the second thing you will get from this, that is multiple revisions, time to give grand test and review them. That's the best thing. What will you gain? Okay, that is what will you gain from this, all this. Okay, let me just clear it out so that I can rephrase it. Do this like this. Okay, so multiple revisions, time to give grand test and review them. Now, so this is all. If you want me to give you a proper how to study rapid revision, that I will be covering in the next video. So that's all, I guess. Thank you for watching this video.